Okay, go.
Oh, got a flare.
Oh god. Is that because you're bad?
Light, please, Gemma.
I'm really nervous.
Why?
I don't want him to blow himself up.
I don't think he's going to blow himself up. I hope. I really.
Uh-oh.
Is that a dog?
Yep.
Oh no.
Woo!
Jesus. That'll be
We're all gonna get complaints.
We're going to get. We're also going to come round. We're not with you guys. We're just going out for a family walk.
Yeah. Discovered this going on.
Oh, didn't even see
I
that.
think we might be the wrong side of that.
I've not caught any of this on camera.
No, neither do I. I don't really want to get any closer though. No, Emily, we're getting closer. We're getting a bit too close actually.
Yeah. It's all exploding in unexpected places.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think it's just because the trees are in the way.
Starting. Oh, that house is like.
Woo! How many are there?
I'm really confused going to take
Yeah, me too.
You just count down until it's done.
Yeah, I don't want to get into trouble from the neighbours. Oh!
Which was that go?
Right over against both the houses.
Maybe we're a bit close to the houses. What if one goes through the window?
Just like on the track.
Like Gary.
I really wish Cameron was into toy trains.
Yeah.
Hamlin, I think you shouldn't have one of those really large bangs at the end.
Yeah.
Might get into trouble from the people who live here.
Or the police.
Yep.
I'm really worried that I'm so close to them.
Woo! Ooh, that was nice.
I started my phone.
Mum, how many are there? Ooh.
Oh, like I got a painted looking picture of trees.
Oh, is there a large rocket?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Did you like that firework?
Do look at the screen, honey. Look at the. Oh, I missed it.
What was that?
The firework. Why a lot of smoke?
I think it's just because of the air.
Yeah, it's just still.
Oh. Is your ear okay?
Yeah,
Ross, you okay?
what?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm cool.
He's got an exploded eardrum.
Perforated ear.
That's the one.
Oh. Well, stand a bit closer to fireworks then, Ross.
I'm cool.
Sorry. Here's like you. Oh, you okay?
Watch your fingers, Cameron. Go. Whoa. Cameron, stay away from it.
Well, if it's not, wait to run out. It is actually. Yeah, light it before it's run out. Where's your opening? I think it's like there's a fuse at the top.
Fuse. Cameron, just wait a minute. There's somebody coming with a dog. Two dogs.
No, just wait. There's dogs. Cameron.
He's already done it.
Sorry.
So I just threw it on the ground, Cameron. Yeah, just throw it way behind you though. Will it not go out, Cameron? Can't hear you. It's not going out.
Are you okay?
I don't think I'm going to get any photos of
You've not even got a camera on your phone, then.
it. It did. It just went off.
I'm worried these are all going squint. What if it goes into a house?
That was a tree.
Then we'll all run really quick.
Woo! I like the small ones that don't have to aim.
I like the small ones that don't use the try. They're just
You don't win.
Woo! Woo! Oh, fiddlesticks.
Oh, snuggle into mummy. Cozy. Fine.
Why don't you move back?
So that I was further away from the noise.
Okay, don't come down.
And you can walk forward, so.
Just let me.
You walked forward, so I came over here.
It's okay. Oh my god, there's two. Oh!
Where's it going? I got pissed. I got
This is stressful.
I got these ones. I think they're pan and cranberry. And
Oh, I don't like those rocket things.
There is 3. Uh-oh.
Oh!
just say like them all.
Cameron, be careful. Make sure they're... We have the fire brigade on standby. Whoa!
going.
Oh my god.
I'm not making the cookie woo noises.
Woo! Ooh! Ah!
It freezes with the picture on it, and then the picture it takes is about 3
Yeah, you
seconds
have
after.
to take it before you want to take the picture. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I know. It's not.
Got fizzy fingers.
Please don't tell me he's going to let for one of those epic bangs.
I have to say yours is definitely better than Mum's phone one.
He's not doing another big bang, is he?
Oh no. No.
Do you want to tell him then? Because he just said something about preparing the big bang.
He's running away from you and your.
Oh! I don't think this is very safe. Oh. Oh! That's quite close to that person's house. Ooh.
There's no sand in there.
Oh. Oh.
Why are they coming towards them?
Careful, Cameron.
Cameron! Don't do that really loud bang at the end.
Why?
I don't want to have the police coming chasing after us or something.
Why? Because we're doing fireworks.
No, the really loud bang. It sounds like somebody's been attacked by like a... Yeah, it sounds like a bomb or something. I thought he was just jamming his arms, I just thought he jammed some of it onto yours.
Take pictures of smoke.
When the spin round, that should be called a fizz winkler.
A fizz winkler, that's a good name for it. You could decide your own firework or something.
Oh, you should make a firework picture and name that.
Yeah, that'd be...
Yeah, the big bang at the start kind of pissed it off, but...
I made a dot. Look, remember that dot picture? You know the ones that just go up with a coloured bit? Like
He's still going to let the big bang off, isn't he?
I better not. I'll just keep your ear covered just in case. Are you enjoying yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Just the time with you.
Oh, likewise.
And the second line you talking about, we got that stair put on screens so that's too big for them. So they're very nice and long and then get post stuck a bit, don't they, in this? You need to get out and try and get in.
I think that Mum would have some trouble. I think Mum would have some trouble.
That's a bit cheeky. Yes, yes, it's a trouble. Trouble with human movie that. There's maybe not enough movie actors around Auntie John's bum though. And mine.
Mum couldn't carry Dad.
Oh, I always remember that day James was in the apple for the punch and getting plums and he fell out and I ran and caught him.
And Mummy
Flattened me.
flexed.
Yeah. Totally. It was like something from a cartoon. Comedy sketch. Oh,
How are they running?
Oh no, that's gonna go slow.
This is a bit scary. Okay, come on.
Right.
What?
On the right.
That's quite a big one.
Very good.
What?
Oh. Back a bit.
She got a bit of a scare with
Me
the,
too.
the mental candle went on.
Are we almost finished? Are you alright, Esme?
You just got a bit of a shock when all of those ones went off at once, didn't you? It was very noisy, wasn't it? Imagine having all these fireworks were just for us. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, okay.
How's your eardrum holding up?
It's alright. So far.
You know, when we were walking to the car, we saw a guy with earmuffs. If we'd known, he would have stolen them and run. Oh, I know what to get Ross for Christmas now. Earmuffs. Do you remember those ones I had? They were like a Teddy's bum on one side and Teddy's head on the other. Oh, Ross. Cute.
You get bunny
Would you like
one.
that?
Bunny one.
Pardon?
Would you like that?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that'd be nice.
I don't know actually.
Oh.
A baby's bum and a baby's head.
How's it going, guys? Your phone's run out of film, so if you wait a wee minute,
Your
I'll just
phone's
get
run out
mine.
of film. Oh my god, that is the best thing I've heard all
No,
night.
it's run out of memory.
Your phone's run out of film.
Auntie Dawn just said her phone's, Gemma's phone's run out of film. She's going to get any pictures.
Has he got to sleep?
No, he's struggling.
Aww. I want a baby.
Don't be mean to Esme. Oh no, don't stab her in the eyes. Put your hand in there out the road.
Yeah. Easy, so you get
No finger stabbing.
No.
Man, just take a picture of the ground. Would you like a help?
Oh, and
What?
Try to find it.
you just lit it.
Oh.
What's the film bitty? That bit there.
You need to press the red button.